Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to see all your Telegram groups at one place. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On Telegram, you can group any of your conversations. That can be Telegram groups, Telegram channels, or just regular conversations with another users. You can group them in custom categories and you can sort them in any way that you want. Let me show you how you can easily do that. So first, right here, once you are on Telegram, go into settings, and on settings you can easily find chat folders feature. Just get into it, and on that step you can create new chat folder and place there any conversations that you want. Let me show you how it works. So first tap at create new folder, and on that step you have to name that folder. Let it be groups. So I'm gonna see here just groups, and I can now set up included chats and excluded chats. So I'm gonna tap first at included chats, just right here where it says add chats, and then I have to check mark this circle next to groups to include just groups in that folder. After that I'll tap on done, and also I can tap where it says add chats just under the excluded chats to exclude some chats. Let's say I want to see just the groups with unread messages, so in that case I can exclude read groups. Also, I can exclude archive or muted groups. You can select any of that categories, and also you can exclude some specific conversations in that simple way. And after that just hit on done and then hit on create to save the changes. As you can see, groups chat folder has just been created, and you can right now go into chats and you can easily find that chat folder at the last position. You can get into it to see just Telegram groups that you want to see at that category. So now if you want to position that group at another place, let's say you want to place it right here, so actually to change the order of the Telegram folders at that top toolbar, all you have to do is just hold down at any of the tabs, and from here just select reorder tabs. Now that categories start shaking, and you can hold down at any of them, and then you can simply drag it to any position. Then you can release the finger to place that category at the position that you want. Once you finished with that, just hit on done. And also, in any time you can remove that category. You can go into settings, chat folders, and now let's say you want to remove groups category. All you have to do in that case is just swipe to the left on that category to see the delete option, then hit on delete and hit on remove to remove that category. Also, in any time you can go back here and customize any of that categories. You can just get into any of them. You can add included chats or remove them, or you can add excluded chats, and in that way you can customize that categories in any time. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.